Hey everybody, so I'm gonna solve some examples from 6.1 and I'll explain the concept here. So we continue this series in this course of finite math. This chapter 6 is about probability, of course, and this is an interesting topic that is very useful in daily life or in applications. So in this video, the first we start with the definition. An experiment is an activity with an observable result. So you observe a result in an experiment, and each possible result is called an outcome. All right. You flip a coin, and you get a result, and then an outcome. The set of all possible outcomes is called the sample space. So the set of all possible, so every possible outcome that you could get from it is called the sample space. An event is a subset of the sample space. So the event is a subset. And, we talked about subsets, which is, for example, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4 as a set, a subset could be 1, 2, right? Of the sample space, we say that the event E has occurred when the outcome of the experiment is an element of E. So let's do this example of rolling a die. And we know if you look at one, let's do a better job in drawing one. I've done a few times, but all right, so this, the goal here is not to, I'm sure everyone know what it is, but let's just make it show you. And these are the other side of the die. So it's like a cube, right? So let's say this face is 1 and this face is 4 and this face is 3. Then there are two other, there is this face from here and there is this one, and so 3 other faces, right? So let's say this one is 2 from the other side, and this one is 5, and this one is 6. All right. So all possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sample space then is in these braces is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One possible event is 2, 4, 6. And you can see these 2, 4, 6 are even numbers. So the event that the outcome is an even number. And just a quick introduction here. So let's say this is a good one to roll, then because the probability of each one will be 1/6 because you have 6 total. We will see these in next videos, but just give you an introduction here. So the probability of getting number 1 is 1/6, one face over 6. Same thing. So the probability of getting face with 2 doesn't mean 2/6. It's still one face, right? There is no difference between this, for example, and this. It's just this is one outcome and this is one outcome, 1/6. And we can do that up to 6, 1/6. And you realize that if you add these, you should get 6/6, which is 1. And we'll see that in the next video, or next one videos here. So one thing to remind you that when we worked with the sets and subsets, we talked about the union. And in this union here, it's both sets, right? Kind of all of them, E union F. And in figure 2, for this intersection, it's the common elements for the sets. And we talked about the complement. So look at the set E. The complement of set E is what's not in E, right? So this we'll continue in next one. And thank you.